This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Game Pass subscription on your Xbox One. So you can see I have everything right here. I can just go to it and select it. And there should be an option to cancel it right here at the bottom. Or we can renew it if we want more. Now to cancel this, we want to go back to the home screen. Go up to settings right here and select this. Then go on down to where it says accounts and go to subscriptions. Then we can type in our password if we got one. And we should be able to find our Game Pass subscriptions. So if we have a current one, it should be listed in there. If not, we can go to it and cancel it right here. So we can just go to cancel for Ultimate. Go to cancel on the bottom, and then your credit card will not get charged. And then you should still have it up until that specific date that you have in there. So the last time I had this was, it looks like 2019. I can go to renew on the top now if I want to go ahead and get it again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.